Hello and welcome to the third part of Fun Sock Creation's Star Wars inspired tie-dye series. In this tutorial, we're creating saber socks. Be sure to check out our previously released episodes in this series and watch for our next 4 episodes where we'll show you how to create other awesome looks. To create this look, you'll need the following supplies. You can check out funsockcity.com to find the comfiest white socks for this project. Let's get started. Before beginning your tie-dye project, get your socks nice and wet and then wring out all the excess water until they are just damp. Lay out one sock and just twist it together kind of like a cinnamon roll, allowing the folds along the sock to come together, and twist it all the way from the top down to the toe. Wrap the sock tightly with 2 rubber bands going perpendicular to each other. Then repeat the same process on the other sock. Prepare a surface suitable for dyeing on, then mix your dye according to the directions on the package and dye the socks. Put the socks into a plastic bag and let them sit for 24 hours. After the allotted time, run them underwater until the water runs clear. I also like to put mine into the washer and dryer after that. Then, using fabric paint, put the red and the blue stripe onto the socks. And that's it. You're all done.